Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Nono Obi, and today is the 25th of December 2023. Of course, the girl is still pregnant, and due date is getting as close as possible, and your girl is swollen. And I've made this very nice braids, of course, wig gangs. Okay, so I don't know. Today's plans, we just have a get together to go today, and I woke up early this morning. I didn't sit to watch the TV or relax. I just went straight into the kitchen and started making food. So I know that the next thing is to get things ready, and yeah. This year we've not gotten a family Christmas photo shoot, but the plan is when we are ready to go out today, we have a family photo shoot since we're almost gonna have the same color of clothes today, which is red color, as in Christmas things. You get. So that is just it, guys. Not much update. This week possibly, maybe tomorrow, next tomorrow, I have to sort out the baby things. Like Chizitelo has so many clothes that she didn't wear when she was small, when she was 2 weeks, 3 weeks, because she grew so fast. I have clothes to sort out. I've not bought baby clothes as regards because I have so much from Chizitelo, and when I bought for Obina, I also did neutral color, and he has so many that he didn't wear that he agreed. So this third baby will survive. So that is just it, guys. We're gonna do it this way. I'm sure you can hear crying in the background.
Mommy, 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 this is don't Disney.
Okay. So this is my son Obina. Of course, Wahala boy came from nowhere to report that the sister is crying. So that is just it, guys. That's the update. When we're done preparing for the Christmas burger today, I'm gonna show you guys what I look like and what the kids look like. Okay, thank you guys, and I'll see. This is gonna be actually long vlog because this is just jolly throughout my pregnancy. I'll see you guys. When?
Huh?
Bidon when open?
Okay. Hello. Hello. Days you want me to play? The day we shall do mommy.
What when Ibu?
Huh?
When Ibu?
Okay. The day to mommy to play the day the different place. The Obi little sleeping and daddy's not sleeping. What's that? This is Didi? Who Didi? Who the circle? Who the daddy? You Nini? Who the Dika? Who what is that summer? Today is mommy's birthday. I still always have birthday. I have more birthday. I still have more birthday. Celebrate. Oh, happy dating. You. Oh, the guy who gaga. Oh, the gaga. Who gaga. What's that? Today's lecture, Mrs. Stella, and they did a channel. They didn't get channel and mommy, and see mommy. It gives your mommy supplies. Look at the good mommy likes me for. Mommy having a V for the head and issue. I said, mommy, I have multi-tick. Mommy, have my supplies to daddy. Mommy has a son, does not have their shoes. Our is the
Okay. That's good.
Okay, that's it.
Bye.
So bye.
Bye.
Obi, that's all. What do you say? Two mommy sleeping and one mommy sleeping. Except I'm not sleeping. Like Bob, asleep. The mop open computer class. I take a half a day. This happened. This is that. Whatever. You take the channel. It has dating.
This is fue banana chicken. I'm gonna go.
Okay. Hello, today. This is channel. I did this today. It's the channel for half of the day. It's the channel half of the day. Then I have the bed to the thunder. I have the thunder not here to the day. I should have the day home. So have stay. So have the reply to thunder. Have the house thunder the plies. I think the plies. So have the devil the whole day. Oh, holy not here the day. I follow the man for sleep. So have that. Bye bye.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. I promise you guys I'm gonna show you what I look like after I'm done dressing. So I am done dressing for the Christmas party, hanging out with friends, with family friends. I'm done dressing and this is what I'd look like. Maybe I just stand this camera. Maybe I just stand this camera somewhere and show you guys what I actually look like. I don't know. Vlogging in the place I'm going, I don't know how it's going to be because some people don't like people vlogging them, so I don't know. But if I'm not able to come up here again, just know I have gone for the party. I'll definitely talk to you guys tomorrow. But before then, I need to show you guys what I look like. Guys, that is what I actually look like at the moment. Okay, I've not put on my shoes, of course the boots, because it's cold outside. And after then, maybe we have a little family picture and we start going. That is just the plan. Yes, because of my pregnancy and the tiredness, usual tiredness in your last trimester, I tried getting ready on time. I actually got ready before everybody in this house because I don't want to run helter-skelter makeup, because I took time in making up. So it's actually paid me. So we still have about an hour to go. After this, I'm just gonna have a little food because I'm actually hungry. Then I'll dress my kids and we'll take a little family picture. Then we'll start going. At this point, I think I'm going to use this opportunity to just snap a pre-pregnancy photo shoot, because this is my third pregnancy and this is the first time I've not actually gone all the way out to have a pregnancy photo shoot. I did for Chizitello, I did for Binobin. I went into the woods with my different clothes to go and snap pictures. I'm going to show you guys here, but this particular one, I've been just so reluctant, lazy, and I'm sure this baby is going to be a blessing because I know how it started. This baby is going to be a blessing to me, to my husband, to my family, to even the children that he or she is going to meet when it comes to this world. Amen. From my mouth to God's ear. So guys, I'll see you guys shortly. Let me just go now and put on and dress this girl, these kids, then have something to eat and we start going. Like I said, I'm not sure I'm going to vlog when I get to the place I'm going to, because it's not everybody that likes people to vlog them, so I'm not sure. Hope you guys love my wig. My husband is a spec. He actually knows what fits me. He was the one that got this wig for me. He ordered it. What was it? Was it even my birthday? I think it's my birthday that he ordered this beautiful fringe wig for me, and the color so much suits me and I just love everything about it. I'll see you guys shortly, okay? I told you guys earlier that I was going to do a video when I come here. I'm in the hospital already, expecting baby anytime soon. Yes, I wasn't able to continue this video earlier on because I was having serious contraction from yesterday night. I didn't sleep till in the morning. Then we had to call the hospital. I just had to come here and stay and see whatever that happens. And the water is broken and we're getting ready for baby to come out right now, and that's just it. When the baby is out, of course we'll continue the video. Down. Yeah, we can't wait to see the baby. Baby came. Yeah, baby came a little bit earlier than expected, but we're still having a healthy baby. That's the most important thing. Yes, it's still within the timing period. Yes. So yeah. So, so guys, viewers discretion advised in this video. Guys, yeah, I know I went too far for this video, but that is because for my record purposes I regretted not having this video for my first child and my second child, and this is my third child. I think I'm going to film everything. It will surprise you what is this, but if you're giving birth already, I'm sure you know what is this placenta. So I have everything on the video. Okay, so baby is out here. We're just happy. Was happy here, very happy to see baby. You know, it was just a very beautiful moment, guys. Hope you watch to the end of this video because something more is still coming. I really got prepared for this particular series, and I'm sure this is the video part 2 or the part 3, I don't know, but stay tuned for the next video.